Cucumbers will continue to grow even in August. Simply add sugar to water and water the cucumbers. This will result in more cucumbers that are juicier. This method is used as a natural way to speed up their growth and improve their taste. It serves as an energy source for microorganisms in the soil, supporting root development and improving nutrient absorption by the plants. As a result, cucumbers grow faster, are juicier, and taste better. Additionally, it can increase yields. Cucumber seedlings are healthier, leading to more abundant harvests. You only need 30 grams of sugar per liter of water. If you want to prepare a larger amount of this fertilizer, use 300 grams of sugar for 10 liters of water. Mix the water and sugar thoroughly so the sugar dissolves. Water the cucumbers with the sugar water every 2 weeks. Moderation is key with this fertilizer, as too much sugar can attract ants. This simple method has been used by gardeners for years. It is effective and inexpensive, and the crops are surprising in size and quantity.